classification of elements, which is your next chapter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, you see, there are so many different numbers of elements present in this universe. Elements. I am not talking about compounds, I am talking about elements. Elements का मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by elements? First you have to know. Elements are those things, you can say, or those substances made up of only one kind of atom. एक ही तरह का atom है उसमें. मान लो, if I talk about sodium, सिर्फ sodium, only sodium if I say Na. Or if I say calcium, if I say chlorine, calcium Ca, if I say chlorine Cl. So here you have got only one kind of atom. सोडियम में सोडियम का ही एटम है, कैल्शियम में कैल्शियम ही एटम, इन क्लोरीन 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 ही एटम है. पहले नाम को सुना है. And if I say suppose sodium chloride NaCl, here you have got atoms of sodium and also atoms of chlorine. They are both combined together to form sodium chloride. To form. So this is a compound. This is a compound. This is a compound. Yeah, compound will do. This is a compound made up of atoms of sodium and chlorine. Molecule of sodium and one molecule of chlorine multiply at a sodium chloride compound boni ase. The element ki ki ase? Sodium aru chlorine. What are the elements there? Sodium and chlorine. What are the elements there?
Sodium and chlorine.
Elements क्या है?
Sodium and chlorine.
Most of element ये है, pure. Elements जब बोलेगा, when I will talk about element, you need to know that they are pure substances. क्या है?
Pure.
Pure. इसमें कोई मिलावट नहीं, इसमें मिलावट है. सोडियम और क्लोरीन दोनों मिलके एक साथ शादी करके रह रहा है. They are married, they have bonding, they have love for one another. Therefore, they are together. Here they are all bachelors. You can say all bachelors. संस्था नहीं है. ब्याह पता नहीं होती. याद किया ब्याह सोडियम and chlorine. They are married together. They have love, so they are together. Here you can, they are separate. Na? Sodium is separate, chlorine is, calcium is separate, chlorine. So different elements are there. Total as of now, तुम लोगों के लिए ऐसा बहुत है. लेकिन you need 116 elements. So मान लो कि 116 elements और 120 elements are present right now in this universe. Nature में, पूरे ब्रह्मांड में right now you need 116 elements. 116 elements है. ये दिमाग में, if you want to write it down. Right now there are 116 elements known. ये है known elements, जो which humanity knows. Known elements. Known elements. ठीक है, 116 116 known elements. ठीक है, 116 known elements are there till now. Okay? Any doubt? Any doubt? Before I come, give the heading, keep everything ready. As soon as I start writing, you also start writing. Otherwise, everything will be delayed. So late हो जाएगा, है ना? So be very agile in whatever you do. Now, written? ठीक है ना? तो elements हम लोग पढ़े. Periodic classification of elements. Element you understood? Same atom. Elements मतलब क्या? Same atom. Elements means what?
Same atom.
याद रहेगा? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. ये element multiply compound है. These elements combine together. Bonding हो जाता मतलब. Sharing of electron और जो donation of electron हो पहले ions बने पहले जाकर जहाँ ये बाकी process के लिए जाकर. You know that. Clear? So these elements come together to form compounds. Elements means pure form of matter, you can say. Pure form of matter. Now, why classification is necessary? Periodic to मैं पास कुछ नहीं word माने. First, let us understand what do you mean by classification? What do you mean by classification? मतलब क्या है? तय लगाना. To arrange. Classify means to arrange. You can say. Another word which is more common. Arrange. It means to arrange. दुनिया के थ्रू आपको सुनना. Suppose you have different kinds of clothes with you. So many different kinds of clothes. गर्मी का कपड़ा है, ठंडा का कपड़ा है ना? T-shirt, you have shirts, you have school का ड्रेस है, मोजा है ना? बहुत होना कपड़ा था हमारा. रात को पहनने के लिए कुछ और है. हाफ पैंट लोड़ा वालों का, सलीमानों का ने पहले, है ना? So शॉप का कपड़ा क्या नहीं है? हमारे केकला का थोड़ा तो नहीं. We don't keep not like that. You keep. I also have this habit of keeping until unless I got married. तो उसके बाद now everything is arranged. Earlier I used to keep everything together. बड़ा मोटा कपड़ा, टी-शर्ट, पैंट, गेंजी सब एक लगा. And I used to get very easy. But now everything is arranged. So when you get married, everything gets arranged. है ना? You don't arrange, somebody else comes and arranges. Ankit is laughing. Okay? So classification means to arrange. Now what you are arranging? You are arranging the elements. कहाँ arrange करोगे उसको?
Elements.
Elements को arrange करोगे. ईमान जे 118 বা 120 ईमान जे elements আছে. ये तो जो तक पढ़े सुनो. There has to be systematic arrangement of that. मिलाए पिलाए बहुत लगो. Code in a table. In a table. In a table है. In a chart. That chart is called as periodic table. या तो नया वर्ड में लगा देता हूँ. So that is called as classification. देखो जिससे पूछा नहीं, पूछा या लगा, टैब बनाना, मिला के रखना, सजा के रखना. एक classify means to what? सजा के रखना. खूबसूरती ताकि मिल जाए, हर एक चीज देख पाए हम. Second reason for classification is that you cannot study each and every element individually. Can you study 118 elements का property अगर पढ़ने जाएगा तो आदमी पागल हो जाएगा. People will go nuts, they will go crazy. If you start studying one by one element, you cannot remember. Na? It is humanly impossible. Is it possible to remember 118 elements का property एक एक करके याद रखना? Oxidation number ये वो भला ढिंगा ये सब possible है क्या? नहीं है ना. So therefore we have classified. For example, you all are there in class. এটা মই সবক বেলেগ বেলেগ পঢ়াই বেলেগ বেলেগ য'ত ত'ত বহি আছো. তো মই অকলে এটা মানুহ গৈ পেলাই এটা এটা কি পঢ়াব পাৰিম নোৱাৰি না. So what we have done? We have made class, a group. Class of কি থাকে? A group of students who have similar maturity level, brain or maturity level to same. Boy to same. More or less it is same. So they are sitting together in a room. One teacher is coming in teaching them. So what we are doing? We are arranging them. Na? They are going to 9. So 9 or 9 student 9 or 0 age group. 8 or age group or 8 for you. Like that way it goes on. So what we are doing? We are arranging so that काम आसान हो जाए. तो इसमें भी वही है. 118 जो है, we cannot study them individually. Individual तो पढ़ नहीं पाएगा. So what we have done? We have made them into groups. Group बना दिया. एक और उदाहरण बेलेग 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 ग्रुप बनाए. तो एक ग्रुप पर सेम प्रॉपर्टी वस्तु, सेम प्रॉपर्टी वस्तु, सेम प्रॉपर्टी एलिमेंट एक ग्रुप है. दूसरा ग्रुप में उसके सेम प्रॉपर्टी वाला है. मान लो कि ए से जे तक बहुत सारा कुछ है. तो ए बी सी डी ई ऐसा ग्रुप बनेंगे. तो याद की बोल ए ग्रुप बोल. इन दिस ग्रुप ए बी सी डी ई आर हैविंग सेम टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी. Then the next F, G, H, I, J, A group of same property. तो A group तो ऐसा property जान लिया बाकी जाने को पहले ना. अगर A का हम लोग को property मालूम है तो B का भी जान जाएगा. सेम ही होगा. 19-20 का फर्क होगा. C का भी सेम होगा. 19-20 का फर्क होगा. अभी एक के बाद एक को अगर स्टडी करने जाएगा तो पॉसिबल है क्या? नहीं है ना. तो that's why we are doing classification. एक कारण हमें classification करो. We classify. Human beings होगा तो हम मानो हो ईमान हमें मानो से we are classified into human beings. So we have same property. We give birth to young ones. We are warm-blooded animals. We have a backbone. Yes or no? We are same. हम लोग same है. एक का property study कर लिया. अभी हर एक को तो study नहीं करना है ना. मूड़ा टू की मिलेगी. Property ना हो ना. हमारा जैसा मेरा property होगा वैसा तुम्हारा ही होगा ना. Physical appearance बा फिजियोलॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर अंदर में क्या है. मेरा भी 2 किडनी है, तुम्हारा भी 2 किडनी होगा. मेरा एक हार्ट है, तुम्हारा भी एक हार्ट ही होगा. If I have 1 heart, you will have 1 heart. I have 2 kidneys, you will have 2 kidneys. I have 1 liver, you will have 2 liver. So it is not necessary to study each and every. And now, is it possible कि बनाना को लेके study करो? श्वेता को लेके, कबीर को लेके, तो कि मानो तो humanity पार हो जाए ना करो. So we have made it a group. So therefore, classification is necessary. Therefore, what? That were made to classify the known elements. Tetia digra asil from 1800 er pora egira kando start hol 1817 actually 1817 or pora agoto hoisile attempt earlier also many attempts were there, but what we will study from 1817 the attempts which were made by different scientists in order to classify those elements. The then known elements, again 30 টা ছিল 40 টা ছিল 50 টা ছিল, whatever were there at that time. So we will study one by one. First attempt which was made, generally there were 4 to 5 attempts. 4 attempts we will classify. और भी बहुत है, लेकिन तुम लोगों के लिए 4 attempts. How many? 4 attempts you have to study. कार attempts सीखना आसिल है. यहाँ की achievement की पाले, ये attempts की कोई बिला, classification को कोई बिला, and the limitations. Failure के लिए, limitations. Then why those attempts were a failure? Into one की limitation. That we will study under the category of limitation and few achievements. इधर पढ़ा बस की achievement. Next पहुंचार attempt करना. ठीक. First attempt which was made by a German chemist called as Johann Wolfgang Dobereiner. Johann, है ना? नाम movement. Am I pronouncing it correct? Johann Wolfgang. So first attempt which was made was by Johann Wolfgang. Johann Wolfgang. Wolfgang. G is capital small letter. Dobereiner. So this spelling is very important. Dobereiner. Okay. So it is called as Dobereiner triad. That attempt is called as Dobereiner triad. So what Dobereiner did? Dobereiner tried to arrange. Listen very carefully. Consider everything like a story, then you will understand. Otherwise, not. It's very important to understand these things in a chronological order, date-wise, and like a story. What happened was story, na? I mean the theory for years, so that these are all stories. So you remember like story, otherwise you will bloody forget. First attempt was made by Johann Dobereiner. ठीक है? तो Dobereiner उस टाइम में 1817 arranged the elements in an increasing order of their atomic mass. Increasing order of their atomic mass. ठीक है? Atomic mass you have studied in class 9. Sum of proton and neutron, atomic mass. In my arrow move जाते हैं, वो तो I don't have time now. So Dobereiner है, नाम दो है Dobereiner triads. What is its name? Dobereiner triad. Now see very carefully. First attempt 1817 इसने क्या? Dobereiner ने क्या किया? उसने तीन का बॉक्स बनाया, तिगड़ा, triad. He made a group of elements into three. Where there were 3 elements in one group. At a group, how many elements were there? 3 elements. 3 elements. 3 elements. Why not has tried on A, B, and C. In the whole, it were a triad. It were a triad. Your arrangement to get suppose A is an element, B is an element, C is another element. A is an element, B is an element, C is an element. So they are arranged in increasing order of their atomic mass or atomic weight, you can say. So suppose A's atomic is 1, B's atomic weight is 2, C will be 3. है ना भाई? The increasing ना? A का 1 है, B का 2 है, C का 3 है. I have arranged them in increasing order of their atomic mass. Increasing order of their atomic mass. What Dobereiner said now is very important. If we, सुनो, अच्छे से सुनो, बात में लिखना. If we arrange the elements, अगर हम लोग तय लगाएगा elements को किस तरह? In the increasing order of their atomic mass, then very careful, very important. Then उसके बाद क्या होगा? तो क्या होता है कि the atomic mass of the second element, the atomic mass of the second element is roughly the average or the mean of mean by average को करो of the sum of the atomic masses of the first and the third element. মানে first আৰু third or atomic mass or যদি average টো লাও এই average টো কাৰ atomic mass or হ'ব second one. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
যদি মই first A আৰু C atomic mass or average লাও, if I find out the average of atomic mass or mean of the atomic mass of A and C, the value which I will get will be the atomic mass of the second element, माने B होगा. तो देखा है B का atomic mass जो होगा वो A plus C by 2 होगा. A का कितना है 1, C का कितना है 3 by 2. 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 2 2. Therefore B equals to 2. आया तो B 2 आना. तो A को से डोमेन है. कौन बोला ये? डोमेन. कौन बोला? I understood. हाँ? Page number? हाँ? 80? 79. See, Dauvergne tried. In the year 1817, Johann Wolfgang Dauvergne, a German chemist, tried to arrange the elements with similar properties into group. Group बनाने group. कितने दिखना element जोना आसिल? उन लोगों का क्या बनाया? क्या बनाया? Group. ये है group. एक group में कितना element है? How many elements are there?
3.
Very important to remember. In Dauvergne triad, एक group में कितना element?
3.
How many elements are there?
3.
3 elements. Keep the Dauvergne triad. Spelling is very important. Triad. T-R-A-I-D. Triad. Tri means what? Trishul. How many head? 3. Tri means 3. Tri means 3. Triad. Team का group. Group of 3. Group of 3. He identified some group having 3 elements. तो उसने कुछ 3 elements का कुछ group बनाया. He made some groups of 3 elements. Now how they are arranged? In order of their increasing atomic mass. See. He identified some groups having 3 elements each, so he called these groups as triad. Dauvergne showed that when the 3 elements in a triad were written in order of their increasing atomic mass, very important you see. I'm shouting like I don't know what. Dauvergne showed that when the 3 elements, जब ये 3 elements in a triad were written in order of their increasing atomic mass. कैसे लिखना है लोगों? In order of their increasing atomic mass, the atomic mass of the middle element. Atomic mass of the
Middle element.
This one, atomic mass of the middle element. Atomic mass of the middle element was roughly the average of the atomic mass of the other 2 elements. Was roughly आसपास. Exact ना होगा. It might not be exact, but एकदम सामने होगा. अगर 30 है तो 29.9, 29.8, 28.9 लगा होगा. ठीक है. Understood? हाँ? Was क्या बोला? The atomic mass of the middle element was roughly the average of atomic mass of the other 2 elements. Was roughly the average of atomic mass of other 2 elements. बाकी जो दो ये एलिमेंट है इन दोनों का एवरेज निकालने से we will get the atomic mass of the middle element. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Again I am telling you, B का अगर atomic mass चाहिए, if you need the atomic mass of B, B's atomic mass will be equal to the average of the atomic mass of A and C. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
For example, take the triad. What Dauvergne took. What the ABCD देखा लो. What Dauvergne took, I am showing you lithium, sodium, and potassium. Lithium, sodium, and potassium. Same ही बनाया. Same उसने बनाया. ऐसे ही तीन का तिगड़ा बनाया. How? Let's see how. Lithium, sodium, and potassium. 3 लिया है भाई, 1 2 3 है ना, है जी, आंधी की नहीं, is the tribe? Okay, lithium, sodium and potassium with their respective atomic mass is 6.9, 23, 39. 6.9 इसका है, 23 and 39. अभी निकालो, देखो निकलता है कि नहीं, देखो, find out. You find the average of lithium and potassium. 6.9 plus 39 divided by 2, how much you get? How much you get each? 22.95. So roughly equal na? Roughly equal to 23. Now you understood? Everyone understood? So according to Dobrenier, if the elements having similar chemical properties are arranged in a set of 3 elements in increasing order of the atomic weights, the atomic weight of the middle element was nearly the average of the other 2 elements. Now it is clear? Is it clear? So atomic weight or atomic mass of the second element will be roughly equal to the average of atomic mass of first and third. First or तीसरा. First or तीसरा. Underline in your book. Underline in your book. No sir. Now you understood Dobrenier triad. What is that? Dobrenier triad you understood. Now achievements. क्या हुआ उससे? Dobrenier triad को कौन मिला है? क्या होगा उससे? Achievement. Only one achievement is there. The main achievement of the classification is that it recognized a relationship between properties of elements and atomic mass. Right. Right. Achievements is no. I don't think it is written in your book properly. One of the fundamental achievement of Dobrenier is that he found out a relation between the atomic mass and property of element. The atomor property by elemental property, it is directly connected with the atomic mass. He found out that. It was a डांगोर achievement. और the elements के लिए increasing order of arrange होगा लगे. That was also a second achievement. ठीक है. So 2 achievements are there. First you write the main achievement of Dobrenier triad. 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 The main achievement of Dobrenier triad is that it recognized it recognized a relationship between properties of elements, between properties of elements and the atomic mass ठीक है भाई, understood? It recognized the relationship, कुछ तो है relation between properties of element and atomic mass or কিবা relation আছে যে elemental property কাৰ লগত related, atomic mass ৰ লগত related. মানে mass কৈ আছো পাছত মই কথাটো বেলেগ কৰি আৰু rather than change and we will come to modern period. अभी mass बोल रहा याद रखना. We will talk about mass. Proton neutron, sum of proton neutron. After in the modern period I will change something. Keep this in mind. ठीक. We are arranging in increasing order of what? Increasing order of atomic mass. After that we will increasing order होगा, लेकिन atomic mass नहीं रहेगा, उसमें कुछ और आ जाएगा. वही सबसे बड़ा चीज का मॉडर्न पीरियड टेबल जो अभी हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं. The period table that we see in the market or in the classroom model which is there in your book, it has got one basic difference. इतना दिन अभी जो जितना भी कांड होता रहेगा ना, Dobrenier के बाद न्यूलैंड है ना, न्यूलैंड लॉ ऑफ octaves is there. You see they are all dealing with atomic mass. After that, one word will change and new period table will come, which was the actual arrangement of elements. Now we will move to that part. Okay, next is limitations लिखो. Now what are the drawbacks or limitations? Achievement you have written ना. Now next is limitation. गलतियां क्या है? काम तो अच्छा ही किया. Work was good. Double engineer का. He did something good, but there were some faults. There were some limitations. There were some limitations. How? ठीक है. Now let's see about the limitations. क्या गलतियां हैं? Drawbacks और limitations. हाँ. You might be given the word drawback or either limitations. Both means the same thing. Clear? Now, right. First limitation: all known elements could not be arranged in this manner. तो तब सुन लो पहले. तब जितना elements मालूम था, 56 elements were there at that time. So all 56 or all the elements which were there at that time could not be arranged in the same manner. कि तीनटा ग्रुप बनाइलो और एनेका ये जो होइको दूसरा क्लास में थी मात्र तो रुलाई को एनेका न होल वो नहीं हुआ. सबके साथ नहीं हुआ भाई. जिमान को असले केटा बना वाला धर out of 56 or 50 you got only 4 or 5 trials. 4 वाले 12 elements हो, 5 वाले 15 elements हो. तो वाले इमान केटा रहे होल बाकी तो ना हुआ. So it failed ना. So what law नियम if I am making a rule it has to be applicable to everyone ना. जिसमाने follow कोई से किसमाने follow हुआ ना है कारों का position हुआ ना है तो there will it will fail ना. The law will eventually fail. If the government is making a law it has to be applicable for everyone. कुरमा मानी से कुरमा माना था भी क्यों है तो ना था क्या नो. जितने मानी है साथ तो है वो पते मोहना माने ये बनाया बना. Same thing happened. तो right, all known elements, all known elements could not be arranged in this manner in triad. All known elements, all known elements could not be. हो नहीं सका भाई. Could not be arranged. Could not be arranged. जो elements मालूम था उसका जीवन जाने से known elements which were known at that time. I am talking about 1817. Whose work? 1817 में जो elements मालूम था लोगों को scientists को all elements did not came under the ambit of that Dobereiner tribe. Dobereiner 3 दिन का तिगड़ा हर एक के साथ कौन काम बिगड़ा 3 दिन का तिगड़ा काम बिगड़ा ऐसा हो गया. काम नहीं बना सबके साथ नहीं हुआ. क्या करेगा भाई दोनों हार गया. He fought a battle but he was not able to win it. He lost eventually. ठीक है. So all known elements could not be arranged in this manner in triad. Arranged in triad. Triad के हिसाब से सबको arrange नहीं किया जा सका. नहीं हुआ. Possible ही नहीं हुआ भाई. ठीक है. Second limitation, right? Also the law of triad. Also the law of triad. The law of triad. Also the law of triad was rejected. Reject हो गया. ना हो गया. Was rejected as few triads had elements who had same atomic mass same atomic mass. तो ऐसा भी कुछ एलिमेंट था जिसका एटॉमिक मास सेम है. तो वो दो एलिमेंट है जिसका एटॉमिक मास सेम है तो उसमें नहीं होगा ना. कैसे होगा? नहीं होगा. ठीक है. तो 21 एलिमेंट में जरा एटॉमिक मासेस हैं डिग्री करेंगे नो आइडिया. सो दीस वर टू ड्रॉबैक्स. ठीक है. Dobereiner tried to understood achievement की हो. He established a relationship between property of element and what? Atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass এটা এলিমেন্টৰ property কাৰণে এটা fundamental factor এটো কোনে establish কৰিলে ডবেৰিনিয়ান limitations কি আছে কি সবৰ ওপৰত প্ৰযোজ্য নহল বস্তু every elements which were known at the all the elements which were known at that time they cannot be arranged in Dobrynian triad they were not being able to get arranged in Dobrynian triad second limitation was that কিছুমান এলিমেন্টৰ same atomic mass নেই ইহঁতক কেনেকৈ arrange কৰিব নোৱাৰি with this we move on to the next atom which is called as Newland law of octaves Newland law of octaves Newland law of octaves octaves क्या है Newland law of octaves Newland law of octaves Newland law of octaves Newland law of octaves understood octave मतलब क्या octave सारे का मा पा नी सा ये वाला octave सा गिनती करो it is it सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा and where was sa earlier first now where it is sa 8 first and 8 same Newland law of octaves কি প্রথম এলিমেন্টটো আৰু যদি আমি এনেকে এৰেঞ্জ কৰো কথাটো কি হ'ব Newland কি কৰে কি if we arrange the elements in order of their increasing atomic mass Newland কলে কি if we arrange the elements in order of their increasing atomic mass if we arrange the elements कैसे in order of their increasing atomic mass বাড়িয়া से আমি arrange করি আছে এটা বুঝলেন তো first element or property will be same as that of the eighth element 8 number element যেটো আছে তার property আর প্রথমটো property same হবে ঠিক আছে মানো কি 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 A B C D E F G H so property of A and property of H will be same will be similar not same मिला जुला तो सा रे गा मा पा गा नी सा बोल दो सा प्रथम আছে now it is in the A so sa and sa so A and H they have similar property similar property so this was Newland law of octaves octave music of থাকে sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa আকৌ এটা থাকব তিনটা হারমোনিয়ামত তিনটা অক্টেভ থাকে কি বলে এই মন্দ্র সপ্তক মধ্য সপ্তক তার সপ্তক তিনটা অক্টেভ থাকে এটা দলত sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa re ga ma pa dha ni তো তিনটা অক্টেভ কে পুরো গান নিজে লিখে এমএল লাঞ্চ মিউজিক সং তো জানো না তিনটা সপ্তক থাকে হারমোনিয়াম এটা একদম লো স্কেল দাও এটা নরমাল কিন্তু আমি মধ্য সপ্তক সা রে গা মা পা ধা নি সা এটা মানে স্টার সপ্তক হাই স্কেল সা রে গা মা हाई ठीक है तो सा इज सेम हर 8 के बाद सा ही आ रहा है एक में सा है 8 में सा है एक में सा है 8 में सा है सेम सो लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स तो हार्मोनियम में भी तो जो डिरेक्ट किया है दे आर अरेंजिंग इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर पिच प्रथम एकदम लो पिच তারপর পিচ টু বাড়ি 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 লাস্ট একদম বেশি পিচ ज्यादा हो जाता है जनरली फीमेल्स सिंग एट अ हायर पिच ऊपर ऊपर तार सप्तक में गाना चिल्ला जोर से so what Newland said about this let's understand very important मेरे दोस्तों 1864 in 1864 ये हुआ था ये कहानी कब से है 1864 1817 then now 1864 almost after 50 years है ना ये इधर बोल 50 বছর কারণে মানুহে ট্রাই করে গলে হ্যাঁ The attempts of Dobrynian encouraged other chemists to correlate the properties of elements with their atomic masses. In 1866, जॉन न्यूलैंड, जॉन नाम पूरा है जॉन अलेक्जेंडर राइना न्यूलैंड, एक्चुअल नेम इज जॉन अलेक्जेंडर राइना न्यूलैंड। हाँ, तो जॉन न्यूलैंड बोली बोले हो कोनो बोलना है, नाम में कुछ नहीं रखा है, भावनाओं को समझो क्या बोला है। शेक्सपियर बोले ना नाम में क्या रखा है, भावनाओं को समझो, नाम में कुछ नहीं रखा, भावना बोले की हेतु जरूरी, नाम भी जरूरी ना है, न्यूलैंड बोलो तो अंडरस्टूड। तो in 1866 John Newland, an English scientist, arranged the then known elements in order of their increasing atomic mass. কেনেকে arrange কৰিলে সবে কিন্তু একেলে কথা দেই, order of increasing atomic mass, order of increasing atomic mass, ha right. He started with the elements having lowest atomic mass. He started with the elements having lowest atomic mass, that is hydrogen. कार पर शुरू करें, ये जगह पर हाइड्रोजन लिख सकते हैं, हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन. And then ended at thorium, which was the 56th element. तो एने क्या करी, हाइड्रोजन पर thorium arrange करें, thorium was 56. तो 1 2 3 4 हाइड्रोजन मतलब हेडू करी लास्ट क्या है thorium 56. तो कितना था उस टाइम 56 एलिमेंट था. He found that every 8 element had properties similar to that of first. I told you, every 8 element had properties similar to that of first. Similar है, same not, मिला जुला, मिलता है, कुछ मिलता है, बहुत कुछ मिलता है. Similar, same माने exact हो जाओ तो, जनरली एटम तो सेम है, सेम not, similar. Potassium, sodium are similar. Lithium, hydrogen, lithium, potassium, it is similar. The electron is last in the last shell. Only one electron is there. There are electropositive electron donate करता है. Similar property है वो. Same property नहीं है. Same property होने से क्या है? Atomic number ही same हो जाएगा. Atomic number बोल रहा है, ध्यान देना. बात को ध्यान देना. यार मैं atomic mass theory है today. I'm shouting atomic mass here. Atomic number will move. The next one. Achal, please close the door. Thank you, Achal. Okay. Now see. He started with the element having the lowest atomic mass, hydrogen, and ended. He started with hydrogen, which was first, and ended at thorium, which was last. Very important, huh? You read the line, you see. He found that every 8 element had properties similar to that of the first. He compared this to the octaves found in music. That is Saregama Padanisa. Therefore, he called it as law of octaves. It is known as Newland law of octaves. In Newland octaves, the properties of lithium and sodium were found to be same. तो lithium 1 नंबर है, sodium 8 नंबर है. lithium 1 नंबर है, sodium 8 नंबर. तो 1 और 8 से एक 1 and 8 is same. ठीक है. Sodium is the 8th element after lithium. I told you, sodium is the 8th element after lithium. So sodium और lithium का property same. Similarly, beryllium, magnesium resemble each other. तो एने बात की कैसे याद किसी साथ कहता हूँ. You can see figure number, table number 5.3 in your book. Table number 5.3. You can see hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Have you seen? First row. Hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. And then you got fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Now you see property of lithium and sodium and potassium same. है कि नहीं? हाँ? उसी तरह हाइड्रोजन, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन का प्रॉपर्टी सेम. जिस तरह से न्यूलैंड बोल रहा है. You can see ना, सा रे गा मा पा धा नी फिर आएगा सा. साइज है ना? चलो सर. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 then 8. See here carefully. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then again 8. तो बॉटम आरो 8 नंबर सेम ना? तो यहाँ तो एक ग्रुप और जितने एलिमेंट्स आते हैं, एलिमेंट्स which are there in this group have same property. Similar property. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, limitations you see. ये तो कर दिया उसने न्यूलैंड ने. अत्यंत तारा लिमिटेशन आते ड्रॉबैक्स. न्यूलैंड भी हार गया. यहाँ भी हाई लेवल बोली दो we have got the modern periodic table now the Dobrinier का मालूम है क्यों हार गया वो सब कुछ नहीं आया ट्राइड में है ना न्यूलैंड के लिए हारी गई what were the limitations of Newland you see first it was found that the law of octaves was applicable only up to calcium तो ये law of octaves तो हमें अकल कैल्शियम लोके है प्रोड्यूस कोई होता कार लोके कैल्शियम हाँ सर कौन से कैल्शियम after calcium every eighth element did not possess properties similar to that of first calcium और पास एक घटना रिपीट ना हुआ ठीक है सर ये ध्रुव पर्यंत till here calcium इसके बाद नहीं हुआ लेकिन ये कहानी ठीक अंडरस्टूड उसके बाद ये जो पहला और 8 नंबर वाला जो हिसाब लगाया was not applicable at that time after calcium now it was assumed by Newland that only 56 this is the biggest mistake or biggest wrong thing that he said कि उसने बोल दिया कि पूरा ब्रह्मांड में सिर्फ 56 एलिमेंट्स ही है उसके ऊपर नहीं है और आएगा भी नहीं ऐसा हुआ है क्या we have got 120 elements bloody now yes or no झूठ बोल दिया Newland was a liar yes or no इसका वाला बोल दिया मत तू भी नहीं ले पूर्व को नहीं लेना है ना So it was assumed by Newland that only 56 elements existed in nature and no more elements would be discovered in future. Very bad, Newland. You will get 0. Newland got 0 in chemistry. Nah. But later on, several new elements were discovered whose properties did not fit into the law of octaves. तो उसके बाद बहुत सारा ऐसा एलिमेंट निकला जो ये सारे गामा पादा निशा में नहीं आया. और बहुत कुछ निकला उसके बाद जो ये सारे गामा पादा निशा जो कॉन्सेप्ट तार ভিতর বহা নাই তার ভিতর অকল কোন কিটা আইলে অকল till calcium only the elements followed this সারে গামা পাদা নিশা after that পাদা নিশা এ হলো সব কলালে third limitation in order to fit element into this table Newland adjusted two elements in the same Newland কি কইলে একা স্কয়ার দুটো দুটো এলিমেন্ট ঘুমাই দিলে এটু সাইয়ার কোবাল্ট আর নিকেল তাইছো না कोबाल्ट एंड निकल एटा में की दुनिया में घुमाए होंगे एक मयान में दो तलवारें नहीं रह सकते बाबू एक मयान मतलब तलवार और कवर टुकड़ा एटा कवर में की दूसरा तलवार घुमा दी घुमाए ना एक मयान में कितना तलवार रहेगा एक दो शेन नहीं रह सकते दो तलवार घुमाओ ना जबरदस्ती घुमा तो भागी है हां ठीक so what he did but also put some unlike elements under the same node can you find ये देखो कोबाल्ट और निकेल दुटा बेलेग-बेलेग वस्तु थे दुटा एकेला होता है तो छुसी दिले था तो ये हो गया पूरा पूरी फ्लॉ note that cobalt and nickel are in the same slot and these are placed in the same column as chlorine bromine so chlorine is a gas it's a non metal cobalt nickel to the metal non metal कोई गल केने का बोल नो ऊपर से हाइड्रोजन क्लोरीन हाइड्रोजन नहीं मिले ये क्लोरीन और लो हाइड्रोजन में नहीं मिलता है भाई हाइड्रोजन behaves like a metal hydrogen behaves like a metal fluorine behaves like a non-metal it's a pure bloody non-metal chlorine it's a non-metal कहाँ है देखना periodic table में इस तरफ में गिरा हुआ है towards the right hand side और कोल्ड हाइड्रोजन in the एकदम top right corner मिलने नहीं cobalt is a metal nickel is a metal metal के साथ non-metal बैठ गया বুড়া মানুষ লগত বয়স্ক মানুষ লগত জোয়ান মানুষ বহাই দিলে বাচ্চাকে বহাই দিলে কেনে গো নো মানে কাজিয়া হলো difference of thoughts I know your thought and the thought of your parents or grandparents are different it's very different it's human nature it is human nature हां तो बुढ़ेरा यदि एक जगह बहाई दिया डिस्कशन का कारण है कि तो डिस्कशन में जो पढ़ना जरूरी है कि तुम लोग तो बोलेगा ही जरूरी नहीं है ये अंदर को जरूरी है काजिया है वाला No, ठीक है सर बुझना है so in the same square and these are placed in the same column as chlorine and bromine which have different properties than these elements iron which resembles cobalt and nickel in property has been placed far away तो iron और property cobalt वाला बहुत मिले iron का property सब iron को 10,000 दिया nickel और 8 नंबर को दूसरी को iron को दूसरी को cobalt that property same तो ये नहीं हुआ this was a failure ठीक है कपिल ओके नाउ अंडरस्टूड